When most people picture what is involved in a research study, they may think about test tubes, medications, blood drawers, and laboratories filled with microscopes and centrifuges. The Ohio State University and the Center of Science and Industry have teamed up to give that stereotype a run for its money. OSU students and study coordinators Mia and Jenny put an exciting new spin on research with the ongoing study at Labs in Life at COSI. Through this endeavor, Principal Investigator Dr. Carmen Swain is investigating the actual health benefits of the Wii Fit.
Exergaming is kind of a big deal right now, and everybody's kind of wondering, is the Wii Fit really working? Can it provide changes in fitness or at least changes in health associated with exercise? So we're kind of taking a look at how hard people are working when they're using it, trying to figure out if it really will work to help someone become more physically fit. Someone will walk into the life section and will say, hey, would you be interested in playing the Wii Fit and helping us out with a research study? And if they're 10 to 13, they run for 10 minutes. If they're 14 through 49, they run for 20 minutes. And they technically don't have to run. They can walk, jog, or run in place. It's kind of whatever they're comfortable with and whatever they feel like they would do if they were in their own home. And then at the end of the study, there's a post-test questionnaire that kind of asks them about their feelings about what they did and about the Wii Fit. Then we give them some water and send them back into COSI.
I definitely think that without research, we wouldn't be moving forward. We would have no idea how the Wii Fit affects your body. People would use it and continue to use it even though it might not be helping, or not use it and be missing out.
Unfortunately, I think there's that negative connotation that all studies are either needle pricks or blood, or you just answer 100 questions. And I would recommend this because you get to be like in the fun aspect of science, and there's so much going on that each of these studies just helps and supports and really strengthens that foundation. So every single research study, doesn't matter what you learn or how you do it, it's something that other people can build on. You can collaborate with individuals and other organizations in Ohio State, at COSI in Ohio, or in the United States or across the world. So this research and these new scientific technologies really propel society forward, and I think makes for a better tomorrow.
The Ohio State University does research that improves people's lives every day. Only with this collaboration between OSU and COSI can cutting-edge technology be combined with fun physical activity to discover the best ways to live a healthy and active lifestyle.